So I know there's a lot of form builders out there, and some of them are pretty good. However, I've always found them kind of frustrating. I'm a programmer, and none of those form builders are able to create the kinds of forms that I want, or more importantly, what more demanding customers need. Many of the form builders, they have useful sounding features, but when you try to use them to be able to deliver certain types of functionality, you find out the hard way that these features just aren't good enough. And I know I'm not alone. I've talked to dozens of other people who've experienced the same kinds of problems that I've experienced. Freelancers, web designers, marketers, even other programmers. These people want to be able to use a form builder to deliver for themselves or for their company or for their customers, but are ultimately left disappointed because their form builder isn't powerful enough to deliver the kind of user experience they expect. That's why I decided to build my own. Introducing Keenforms. It's a professional grade form builder for people who know what a custom form can do, but don't want to build it from scratch. The reason it's more powerful is because Keenforms has a rules engine with a no-code interface. A rules engine is a kind of software that lets users create dynamic application logic without having to write code from scratch. While rules engines are powerful tools, they can also be difficult to use, and they're typically built and designed for big businesses and technical users. That's why we built Keenforms with a no-code interface so that anyone can use it. If you can figure out how to write a formula in Excel, then you can create a rule in Keenforms. And because Keenforms has a rules engine, it does things that other form builders can't. Conditional calculations and validations, multi-step operations so you can set the value of an input more than once, and the ability to control the order of operations. And that is a game changer because other form builders might have calculated fields, but if you have more than one equation, do you know what order your form builder will execute it in? With other form builders, you can't, but with Keenforms, you can. It also has features that your current form builder can only dream of. Things like creating metadata for selectable options, the ability to do data-driven logic for complex conditions. Keenforms lets you write dynamic HTML, it does lead scoring, it has webhooks, and more. And the coolest thing is, you can try it for free. Step up to the professional grade form builder you've been waiting for. Keenforms is forms made smarter.